Next, we will crochet the head of the turtle. Take out the yarn of the corresponding color. Hold the yarn end with your right hand. Wrap it around your left pinky finger once. Hang it on your index finger. We will start with a magic ring. First, make a magic ring on your hand. In the first round, we will work 1 chain stitch, 6 single crochets, and finally 1 slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. Six single crochets. Attach the stitch marker. Six single crochets are completed. Tighten the magic ring. One slip stitch. This is what the first round of crochet looks like when completed. The second round, 1 chain stitch, 6 increase stitches, and finally 1 slip stitch. One chain stitch, 6 increase stitches. Second increase stitch. Third increase stitch. Fourth increase. Fifth increase. Sixth increase. Six increase stitches are finished. One slip stitch. This is what the second round of crochet looks like when completed. The third round, a chain stitch, then a single crochet and an increase stitch as a set. Repeat crochet for 6 sets, finally a slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. First set, 1 single crochet. One increase stitch. This is what a single crochet and an increase stitch in one set looks like. We crochet the remaining 5 groups in the same way. Second group, 1 single crochet. 1 increase stitch. Third group, 1 single crochet. 1 increased stitch.
Fourth set, 1 single crochet.
1 increased stitch. Fifth group, 1 single crochet. 1 increased stitch. Sixth group, 1 single crochet. 1 increased stitch. Six groups are completed. 1 slip stitch. This is what the third round looks like when crocheting is completed. The fourth round, a chain stitch, then increased stitch followed by 2 single crochets as a set. Repeat crocheting 6 sets. Finally, a slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. The first set, an increased stitch. Two single crochets. Here is what an increased stitch into single crochets as a set looks like. We crochet the remaining 5 groups in the same way. 1 increased stitch. Two single crochets. Two groups are completed. For the remaining 4 groups, everyone can complete the crochet on their own. Complete this round with a slip stitch. This is what the fourth round looks like after completing the crochet. For rounds 5 to 8, 1 chain stitch, followed by 24 single crochets without increasing or decreasing. Finish with a slip stitch. Let me demonstrate the crochet method for the 5th round. 1 chain stitch. Then 24 single crochets without increasing or decreasing. Keep crocheting single crochets like this until this round is completed. 24 single crochets are completed. 1 slip stitch. This is what the 5th round looks like when completed.
The crochet methods for the next round 6 to 8 are the same as the 5th round.
Everyone can complete the crochet on their own. This is what the 8th round looks like after crocheting. Next, we need to attach the eyes. Fold the fabric from the side with the slip stitch. Fold in half. This needs to be folded in the middle. Then attach the eyes between the 6th and 7th rounds. Attach one eye. Then count 13 stitches from the side without the slip stitch. Attach the other eye. Both eyes are attached. On the back, we need to attach the safety back pieces. Turn the fabric over. Attach the safety back pieces. Two eyes are now installed. Next, let's crochet the 9th round. Round 9, a chain stitch, then a decrease stitch followed by 2 single crochets as a set. Repeat crochet for 6 sets. Finally, a slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. First group, 1 decrease stitch. Attach the stitch marker. Then 2 single crochets. Here's what a decrease stitch followed by 2 single crochets as a set looks like. We use the same method to crochet the remaining 5 sets. Second group, 1 decrease stitch. Two single crochets. Third group, 1 decrease stitch. Two single crochets. Three groups are completed. For the remaining 3 groups, everyone can complete the crochet on their own. Complete this round with a slip stitch. 1 slip stitch. This is what round 9 looks like when completed. Round 10, a chain stitch, then a single crochet followed by a decrease stitch as a set. Repeat crochet for 6 sets. Finally, a slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. First group, 1 single crochet. One decrease stitch. This is what a single crochet followed by a decrease stitch as a set looks like. We crochet the remaining 5 groups in the same way. Second group, 1 single crochet. 1 decrease stitch. Third group, 1 single crochet. 1 decrease stitch. 3 groups are completed. For the remaining 3 groups, everyone can complete the crochet on their own. Complete this round with a slip stitch. This is what round 10 looks like when completed. Next, we fasten off leaving a long yarn end. The yarn end is used for sewing. Wrap the yarn on, pull through. Tighten. This completes the crocheting of the head.